if you're considering intercalation, I think the most important thing is to make sure you're picking something that you truly are interested in, because you are going to be studying it for a year. So it is quite a long time to be focused on one topic.
If I was looking to intercalate and wanted some advice on this, I would speak to people who've done the projects before. I'd also speak to the supervisors who are offering projects, because you need to know you're going to enjoy what you're going to spend a year studying.
I think the advice that I'd give to any student looking to intercalate is to try basically talk to the supervisors of whatever topics you're interested in, and make sure you kind of that you're definitely interested in it.
And even once you've sort of channeled it down to just the one project that you've settled down on, there's so much scope to take it whichever way you want to take it. And the way that you're going to achieve that and achieve sort of the best results is if you invest yourself into the project because you're actually interested in it. I think what's most sort of special about it, what's most important, is it's a time for you to learn what you want to learn rather than what you're told you have to learn.
I'd also say don't be worried about dropping into a new year group or losing clinical skills, because I found both of those things very easy or not problems at all, and it was a really, really worthwhile experience.
It was quite a hard decision though to make, because you are taken out of your year group, you spend a year on your own essentially, and then you're back in with a completely new group of people, and after being in the same year group for 2 years you kind of feel settled and you feel as though I'd rather sort of just carry my time through uni with the same people. But sort of on reflection, when I weighed up the pros and cons, I realised that I would still be seeing everybody every day anyway, and now I've just got twice as many people who I know in the dental school, so it's actually worked out quite well.
And yeah, I think just enjoy it really, because it's a year of something really different. You don't have the normal pressures of targets and the BDS exams and stuff, so it is quite a nice year compared to, not that the rest are horrible, but it's a bit of a breather, I think.
And don't rule anything out either, because there will be projects that on the surface you'll think, but just purely from lack of exposure, you might not know a lot about, but treat everything as a possibility, because there's some really, really interesting projects that they've got on the website this year that I've been looking at, some of which don't really make much sense to me, but once you read into them in a little bit more detail, you realise that everything's got a lot of potential. It just needs the right person for the right project to realise it.